excited when I have a 2-row repeat stitch pattern to show you guys. This week I have a 1-row repeat pattern, so even easier. This is the Suzette stitch. It uses single crochets and double crochets. Let's get started. For the Suzette stitch, you want to get started with an even number of chains, and you're going to work your first stitch into the second chain from hook. So in the second chain from hook, we're going to work 1 single crochet and then also 1 double crochet into that same chain. Now we're going to skip the next chain, and into the next chain work another single crochet and double crochet. So we're working our single crochet and then double crochet into that same chain. So again, we're going to skip the next chain and single crochet and double crochet into the next chain. So that's our single crochet, now a double crochet into that same chain. Now we're going to skip the next chain and single crochet and double crochet into the next chain. So single crochet and a double crochet into the same chain. So that's the pattern for row 1. Skip a chain, single crochet and double crochet into the next chain. Skip a chain, work a single crochet and double crochet into the same next chain. Skip a chain, work a single crochet and a double crochet into the next chain. Skip a chain, work 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet into the next chain. Skip a chain, work 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet into the next chain. Now we have 2 chains left. We're going to skip a chain, and into that last chain work a single crochet and a double crochet. So there's your single crochet and a double crochet. So that's row 1. Now we're going to start row 2 by chaining 1 and turning. So I've already chained 1 and turned here. I decided to show you row 2 on this larger swatch just because it's easier to see what the stitch will look like. So to start row 2, single crochet and double crochet into that first stitch. This is going to be pretty similar to row 1. There's our single crochet. Now we're going to double crochet into the same stitch. Now we're going to skip the next stitch, and in the following stitch work 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet. So there's our single crochet, and now working our double crochet into the same stitch. And now we're going to skip a stitch, and in the following stitch right there work 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet. That's the pattern you're going to follow for row 2. Skip a stitch, in the next stitch work 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet. So skip a stitch, and in the following stitch work 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet. Skip a stitch, in the next stitch work 1 single crochet and then 1 double crochet. Skip a stitch, in the next stitch work 1 single crochet and then 1 double crochet. So again, I'll show you guys and then let you guys follow along. Skip a stitch, in the next stitch work 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet, and we're going to just keep doing that until we reach the end of the row, and I'll jump back in when we get there. So we have 2 stitches left now at the end of the row. We're going to skip 1 stitch, and in this next stitch, the last stitch on our row, work, you guessed it, 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet. So that's row 2. Now you will chain 1 and turn. And now you will repeat row 2 as many times as you'd like until your project reaches your desired length. If you like videos like this, please subscribe. I'll be releasing a new one every week.